Good morning, welcome to
MathPractice188.
Math Practice number 188. So today, or actually, well this week, we've moved on to base 3 after studying base 2 last week.
Yeah.
Right? You excited about base 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so let's review real quick and then we're going to talk about adding in base 3. In base 3, when we have our digits, those digits represent 1. What's the next one?
I think, is it 3?
3.
9.
9.
27.
27. And what comes next?
81.
81. Hey, high five. Good job. Powers of 3. Okay? And we add, just like we add in base 10 and just like we added in binary, but now we can't have any number that's 3 or bigger.
Yeah.
Okay? So let's pick a base 3 number like 2, 0, 1, 2 plus.
How about?
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna start out with just a 3-digit example. Okay? How about 210 plus 1, 2, 2. Okay? Now, before we add, let's just see what this is. What is 210 in base 3?
Well, this is 1, 3, and 9.
Very good.
So that would be 18 plus 3, which would be 21.
Okay, so this is 21 in base 10. And what's this number?
Well, that would be 2 plus 6, which is 8, plus 4, which is 12.
2 plus 6. Now, which digit is this in base 3?
Oh, that's the 9.
Yeah, so it's 2 plus 6. I have 2 1s, 2 3s. That gets me 2 plus 6, which is 8, plus
9 is 17.
17. So this is 21 plus 17.
You should get 38.
So we should get a number that represents 38. So let's see what we get. What do we get when we add our columns?
Well, we get 2, 3, 3. But we get. Can we have 3s? No.
Ooh, we can't have 3s. So now we have to understand what do these numbers represent. This represents 2 times.
2 times 1.
This represents 3 times.
3.
And this represents 3 times.
3 times 9.
9, okay? So what is 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9.
So this 3,
Can shift over, it becomes a 1 in this digit.
it becomes a 1 over here. This 3,
Can shift over, it become a 1 in this 27.
okay, so this 3 becomes a 1, 0, 0, 0. That's that 3.
Yeah.
This 3 becomes a 1, 0, 0. It shifts over 1.
Yeah.
And what happens to this 2?
Well, it just becomes 2.
It just stays the same.
So,
So our new number is
1102.
1102. Now let's check, does 1102 in base 3, sometimes you write a little 3 like that
Yeah.
to remind yourself, does this equal 38 in base 10? Well, what does this 1 represent? What does this 4th digit represent?
Well, that's 1, 3, 9, 27.
So it's 27
127 plus 1, 9.
plus 1, 9
Plus 2.
plus 0 3s
Threes
plus
plus
2.
2.
Okay? So this is 27 plus 9 plus 2. What's that?
Well, what's 27 plus 9 is 36 plus 2 is 38.
38. Does 38 equal 38?
Yeah!
All right. High five. Okay. So, what did we learn? We learned that adding in base 3 is just like adding in base
Is 2.
2. Because the only difference is you can't have 3s. So when you have a 3 now, you shift it over.
And it becomes a 1.
And it becomes a 1. Okay?
Yeah.
So we'll do a little more complicated example tomorrow, but at least we learned today that adding in base 3 is very similar to adding in base 2. Okay. High five. Good job.